Gratitude for. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the coronavirus and the physical restrictions associated with it, such as not leaving one's house unnecessarily. It is important for Muslims to realize the countless blessings they have been granted by Allah, the Exalted, as this realization will inspire them with true gratitude, which is to use each blessing they possess correctly, according to teachings of Islam. Muslims often fail to acknowledge these blessings, such as having the freedom to leave one's house whenever they wish. In addition, this true gratitude is extremely important, as the Holy Quran warns that those who changed in a negative way, such as failing to show true gratitude to Allah, the Exalted, were tested with difficulties by the removal of these blessings. Chapter 13 Ar-Ra'd, verse 11.
Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves.
For example, it is obvious to anyone who observes most mosques during the obligatory congregational prayers that the vast majority of local Muslims do not attend them. Attending the mosques is the very essence of showing gratitude for being granted a mosque by Allah, the Exalted. But as many Muslims failed to show this true gratitude, Allah, the Exalted, changed the situation by closing them through this virus outbreak. Muslims should therefore regularly assess the blessings they possess, so that they show true gratitude to Allah, the Exalted, by using them according to His pleasure and commands. This will cause things to change in a positive way and increase the blessings they are granted. Chapter 14 Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor."
In addition, these social restrictions should also remind Muslims to make use of the blessings they possess, which normally pass away with time, such as good health and time. The one who utilizes their blessings in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, such as their good health, will find that they receive the same support and reward from Allah, the Exalted, even when they eventually lose this blessing. This has been advised in a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 500. But those who fail to utilize their blessings correctly will lose out on gaining reward while they possess them, and when they eventually lose them. This is a manifest loss.